Good morning guys, welcome back to our channel Journey of Darius and Christian. So we're going now to Gary Coop property. Hello Sir Gary, I'm with Papa. So around 50 meters from the highway, National Highway. So we have a gravel and sand for construction materials. So construction purposes, you can buy here gravel and sand. So we'll proceed to Gary Coop's property. Ito na yung post. So there is a neighboring lot of Gary Coop's property. So we can see here the newly built house of Marie and also Sir George Silva from USA, and Mario is also from USA. So then the next property is here. We have here Brian Smith's house. Here is the boundary. This is the we have here already the property of Gary Coop. This is his property. Pila na ginakon ba? So this lot,
almost 1 hectare.
this lot before was owned by Barangay Captain here, and he sold it to Gary Coop. So now Gary Coop own this property. So almost or
Three owners and
almost
almost
1 hectare.
1 hectare.
He acquired 3 property. He acquired here 3 owners, more or less 1 hectare.
There's many plants, mango,
Coconut here, the coconut. Sir Gary Coop, you can see your property. Now, so motor da. The boundary is over there. Before the boundary is over there, but now he acquired this area. So this is a back portion of his lot. So that area is Brian Smith area. Ini pa, also here included This lot is included. The boundary is the fence. So very big area. We'll go around Gary Cop's area. He can build here anything he wants. There is the concrete post from here going to there, and then like that, and then from here also to there, and then straight to the road. Very nice area.
Basko naman. Naunsa man kada oy. Naunsa kada. Ayo ana.
So I am now here in a highest portion of his property. So at the fence, boundary, the fence. So around that area, then down to that area, and then cross to the highway. I mean to the road, barangay road. Very nice lot. So guys, Gary Cop is a client of Papa. He is so very good. He is from I don't know where he came from, but he is a good guy, and he has a fiance now in the Philippines. Fiance or wife, correct me if I'm mistaken. So this is the improvised road going to the barangay road. So okay guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell button, and then share, comment. Have a safe Sunday guys. Bye bye.